Update. I'm going to show you how to get a visa sponsorship job in Japan. A job whereby your flight ticket, your accommodation, your employer will bring you over to Japan, wherever you are applying from, whether you are applying from Nigeria, you're applying from Ghana, you're applying from India. It doesn't matter where you are from. And they have so many job roles, be it you want to come in as a teacher, as an electrician, as a waiter, a waitress, an architect, whatever role it is, there is a job waiting for you in Japan. The only thing you have to do right now is make sure you watch this video to the end, and please like if you find this video useful, drop a comment and share it, this opportunity, to others, so they too are going to benefit from it, right? So I'm going to show you this platform. This platform is a popular platform in Japan. So many people I know of have gotten sponsorship job in Japan through this platform, and it's not like it's a big deal. Okay, you just have to make sure you go through the requirements. If you pass the requirements to apply, then employers will schedule an interview with you in Japan. If you pass the interview, voila, you begin your trip to Japan. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to this platform.
Go to Google and search GaijinPot. As always, I'll be dropping direct links in the YouTube description so you can access it directly. Now, you can see the official website, find a job, study Japanese, or travel in Japan. Okay, so I just click on the official website. Okay, so this is a step-by-step guide, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. The only thing you have to do is, stick to the end so you don't miss out on any part. Okay, land your dream job in Japan. There's a position that's perfect for you on Japan's #1 English job board. Basically, there are so many platforms when it comes to getting a sponsorship job in Japan, but GaijinPot is very, very popular. It is a very, very popular job platform. So a whole lot of people are using it to source for jobs in Japan, and a whole lot of people have used this platform to get jobs in Japan and have moved to Japan. Okay, so basically this is the home page. This is what you see. So what you just do is click on the search now button. You click on it. I don't know, my network is a bit slow today, but let's see if this work out well. So basically what we have, there are various jobs. We have full-time jobs, teaching job, part-time jobs, non-teaching jobs, remote work. There's so many jobs. The first thing you want to do is filter your search. Okay, you filter your search. So I click on all roles. Now if you're looking for creative media roles like photographer, you're an actor, blah blah blah, or if you're looking for work as a domestic help, probably a babysitter or a housekeeper, you just click on this. If you work in the educational sector, you're looking for teaching jobs, you could just select this, anything that has to do with education and training. Then if you work in the construction sector, you can also tick on this. So just tick on something that is related to what you do. Okay, so obviously if you are going for construction, you just have to untick the rest. Okay, just tick something that is related to what you want. So for this video, I think I'm just going to go with something that has to do with education. Okay, so I just tick on education. So just take your time and go through all the roles. There's so many roles here. For those of you who want to work in Japan as a waiter, waitress, bartender, cook, tour operator and the rest, just select this. Okay, so all location, you could just leave this on check. Okay, then click on advanced search. You notice I click on advanced search, a list also pop up. English proficiency. Okay, and you leave this on check. Japanese proficiency, if you know you cannot speak Japan, so you won't waste your time and be seeing jobs that requires Japanese. So just make sure you tick on none. Okay, then other language, you could just leave this all languages. Then industry, you could just leave this on check. Career level, leave this on check. Now employment type, make sure you can leave this all types as well. Then if you notice there, remote work, so if you're looking for remote work, it's okay. But if you're an overseas applicant, let's say you're applying from Nigeria, you're applying from Africa, you're applying from Ghana, you're applying from India, another part of the world, make sure you tick overseas application so that the job roles that will be coming to you are jobs that accept international workers. So you won't see jobs that only accept people that are already in Japan. So once you tick overseas application, it's going to show you roles where the employers wants to sponsor you. They are looking for foreigners to come and do the job. Okay, so once you've done all your filtering, you just click on the search button. Okay, so it's going to search and it's going to filter your search. Okay, what you just have to do is wait for it to load. So let's go down and see the jobs that are available. Okay, look at this one. Join Wibi Kuzaha as a full-time English teacher in Osaka. Okay, now we can watch a video presentation. You can see the requirement is just English, native English, and you don't need to know Japanese. This is the salary, 250 Japanese yen to 270 Japanese yen, and it's negotiable. There are so many jobs here. There's just so many jobs. You can see them. There's so many of them. There's so many of them. But let me just click on, for example, let's find the full details. Let's say I click on this first one, and let's find out everything about this particular job role. Okay, now, as I said, the location is Osaka, and it was posted on the 27th of December. Okay, and it's a full-time job. And look at the function. I'm looking for a teacher and instructor, ALT conversational English. So you want to make sure you go through the requirement very well before you apply. Go through the requirement. You don't just jump in and apply, so that you save yourself the stress and save other people the stress too. Okay, there are so many people that are looking for this opportunity. So if you know you're not qualified, don't just put in your application. Look for something you are qualified in. So obviously you can go through this video. And this particular school was founded in 1989, and it is the Yaruki Swiss Group. But let me leave this for now. They have over 101 to 500 employees. So should be team oriented, friendly, and able to adapt to a highly active work environment. Should previous work experience in childcare, training, or related field is preferred. Minimum of a 2-year associate degree or equivalent, or an unrestricted working visa. Then visa sponsorship available. This is very important. Make sure you confirm this. This visa sponsorship means they are ready to sponsor you from wherever you are. They'll bring you to Japan. They'll take care of your accommodation, take care of everything, give you the necessary training, to kickstart your career. Okay, so you can also take your time and go through the responsibilities and duties as an instructor. Okay, it's very important to go through the job requirement, as I mentioned earlier, so that it will be easier for everybody and easier for yourself. Okay, the note: while we sincerely appreciate all applications, only those candidates selected to interview will be contacted. So if you apply and you were not contacted, that means you were not accepted. Okay, so if you are contacted, they will schedule an interview with you, and you just hope for the best. Any job you apply for in this platform, we are not expected to pay money. Anybody that is telling you to pay money, just know it's a scam. Okay, so basically the way it works is, once you put in your application and they feel you are a good candidate for the role, they are going to schedule an interview. They will interview you. You see the school, you see your employer. Then after the interview, if it's okay, then they will go ahead with your visa processing and everything that will help you move to Japan. Okay, so you've gone through the requirements and you want to apply. What you just have to do is, probably, I think you have to sign up for this particular job role. Wants you to sign in with wants you to connect your LinkedIn account. Okay, alternatively, if you sign up on this platform, one thing I noticed: if you sign up on this platform, you have access to upload your resume, and it will be easier for you to just apply directly. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, if that makes sense. Or alternatively, if you don't want to just apply from here, you could just go through the website info. You can view the company profile. You can also visit website. Let me open this in a new tab. Let's visit the group website itself. Okay, so that you can see this is the main group that is as you can see, they are rookie switch group currently accepting applications. Okay, they are currently, so it's either you could just go through this, or you could just go here and check all the rules this group have and put in your application. Okay, you have to be very positive. You have to be very positive and have a good mindset that these are going to work out well for you. So you could just click on the apply button directly from this page. Okay, my network is slow again, so I think I'm just going to cut that part. Anyway that is slow, I could just cut that part out. Okay, so you could this is where you could also go through the job roles as mentioned. Then just click on apply now. Let me click on apply now. Let's see what it brings us. So this is the application form. I hope you guys are watching to the end. If you've still not hit the subscribe button, if you've not liked this video, please do so now. I really appreciate it. because I mean it takes a lot to bring this opportunity to you guys. The best thing I just want is hit the like button and subscribe so that whenever I post a video like this, YouTube will notify you. So you just put in your application, put in your name, you put in your date of birth, blah blah blah. Once you are done, you just click on submit application. Best of luck, guys. The truth is nothing good comes easy. There are so many people that are looking for this opportunity, but you just have to put in several applications and hope for the best. I wish you guys best of luck.